2022.1 is a massive release of Leapfrog for this year.
I think there's a lot that the customers are going to be excited about in this release. It is quite a large release. We've done an absolute mammoth effort in the feature development. It's going to range from really small enhancements that we've made, from the drilling labels right through to the geological model, increasing the flexibility of some of those tools, and then also addressing and revisiting some of the tools that have been there for a little bit of time, and really making those a lot more flexible and usable for a lot more users.
Block models are a key output for resource and mine geologists. They summarise predictions of the spatial distribution of elements of interest, of grades, of deleterious elements, for example. Well, 3D visualisation of block models is very powerful for looking for trends and for understanding patterns in 3D, but it's not a great way of communicating precise localised information. So in this release, we've developed a 2D slice mode visualisation where blocks are displayed as outlines on the slice plane that can be coloured and left with gaps, and labels can be displayed with a lot of flexibility about the colouring and positioning of those labels. This provides a much nicer way of interacting with the block model if you need to be able to examine things like the individual grades of blocks within the scene.
We have collated lots of our customer feedback, and we're looking at how we can improve our existing functionality. So specifically, one of the areas that we wanted to focus on was the cross-sections. In the next release, you should see a lot of improvements to the master layouts in particular, being able to create one master layout and then use it in a lot of the different types of sections that we have. So the cross sections, the long sections, etc. And the other really important feature that we've added as well is the planned views. Previously, users would have to take the information out of Leapfrog and create their planned sections in other software. In the next release, users will be able to create those maps and other 2D sections in plan view within the software itself. So that's a really good addition.
The borehole correlation tool is unique among software products in that it provides an alternative to conventional paper-based interpretation. It allows the user to display a much richer set of information than can be displayed in the 3D scene, such as logging information, assays, and downhole geophysics to further enhance the ability to interpret.
In this upcoming release, we've added the ability for users to create unstructured mod flow grids and for them to be able to add features to those to create a higher resolution around those features. So for hydrogeologists, they really need to capture that water movement through the model. And so allowing them to use unstructured grids with the addition of different features like river systems and other things like that, they can really capture a higher resolution around those features.